About this item size: hydraulic directional control valve 6 spool, 21 GPM, SAE ports, adjustable relief valve range, 1,500 to 3,625 PSI material, hydraulic directional control valve made of cast iron construction. It have higher strength and durability design. All spools are standard double acting with spring return to neutral position, which are ideal for double acting cylinders product use. Hydraulic directional control valve fit for small tractors, loaders. Products include 1-piece hydraulic directional control valve 6 spool, 21 GPM, 3625 SAE port. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item size: hydraulic directional control valve 6 spool, 21 GPM, SAE ports, adjustable relief valve range, 1,500 to 3,625 PSI material.